How to use VPN on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Click on Search button at the top right corner of your screen. Then search VPN and click on VPN. After that, again click on VPN. Now in here, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Add VPN Profile. Only do this if you have any VPN profile. And add name, type, and save it. If you don't have that profile, open Play Store and search VPN. Select the VPN you want to download. I have simply downloaded this VPN, which is VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Open and then simply press on connect and you'll be connected to the fastest VPN server. This is how to use VPN on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.